Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 12 Journals of 22 that is hosted by Bima's Crafty Corner, where each month is a different theme. She picks and then you go, and that's what the theme is for that month. This month for the June is romance. This one was kind of difficult for me because I was like, romance. So then I sat here and I thought, oh, I got an idea. I decided to go find these images on Google Images of Victorian age couples. And I put them in and saved them and printed them. And then I found this pretty paper I liked. And so we're going to start with the cover. And I used the Tim Holtz little decal edger this time, going along here and here and all the pictures. So on the cover I picked this image, put some bling around it, some flowers in the corners. And then when you open it, I have a belly band, which I also used a trimmer on, and some bling, and then just put a picture in. And the pictures throughout the book are the same ones as I made bigger for journaling cards. So that one. And they all look like they're like embracing each other or kissing, helping her over the fence or kissing her hand. So, and then on the pages I have pictures, and I did distress each one with a pink going around the edge. Then when you open it to the center or page, you got a blank page with some stickers that were kind of vintage looking to me. And then I have some pictures going across. And I didn't do all this. Like you notice that there's 3 on this one. I went every other one on that aspect in the book or the journal. Just the different images. I think they're cool, the images. The time where you weren't supposed to be with a boy or a man by yourself. Sneaking that embrace. The center, I did a bowl this time. Little stickers on each top of each page that you can journal on. I did the edge here, and how I did that is I flipped the book like this, and I just went with the dauber so that at least that side didn't look odd. And the back, and then of course another belly band with all the same pictures throughout the book. See, here's that one, but bigger. And you can use them for journal cards. And then you just close this. I didn't have anything to like keep it closed. It just looks like that. So I want to thank you guys for watching. This was hashtag 12 of 22 journals, hosted again once by Bima's Crafty Corner. Like I said, each month is a different theme. This for June was romance. I hope this is what she asked for, because I tell you, this one was like, romance. What can I do? It took me a bit. And this is what I came up with. So I hope you all like it. Please go check out Bima's Crafty Corner. I will have her channel and her linked in the description box below. Like I said, each month she gets out a box, shakes the box up, and she picks a new theme. And they're fun to do. And it's not very much to make a little single journal. So, as always, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week or having a wonderful day whenever you watch this. And I will talk to you on the next video. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye now. Bye for now, everybody, and have a good day. Bye.